What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we got a special one for you featuring a 2013 McLaren MP4-12C Spider and a 2009 Shelby Mustang GT500KR. Both these cars are special in their own way. I mean, this is a true supercar with a 3.8 liter twin turbo V8 producing 616 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. This vehicle does 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds and 0 to 124 in 9 seconds. This Mustang features a 5.2 liter supercharged V8 producing 595 horsepower. This vehicle roughly does 3.5 seconds 0 to 60. Today we're going to be comparing the exhaust notes. I mean, this is a true one of the biggest and baddest muscle cars you can buy, and same here for the supercar. This Mustang features a capless custom Shelby exhaust, and this is a stock McLaren exhaust, ultra lightweight, as described by McLaren. All right, guys, this is our 2013 McLaren MP4-12C Spider cold start. Alright, guys, after you heard the McLaren, here's the 2009 Shelby Mustang GT500 King of the Road. There you have it, guys. Two of our favorite cars in our collections. You've heard both the exhaust and the McLaren and the Mustang. Let us know in the comments what you think, what videos we should do next, comparisons while driving or such. Subscribe, like, and thank you for watching.